Landlord tips a game changer. Reduce stress and hassle, increase profits. Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management, managing rentals in the Manawatu 2 and the Taurua region. Episode 5, prompt repairs equals better returns. So let's explore why quickly fixing repairs helps you make more money. Smart landlords know this. Responding promptly to maintenance issues isn't just about the repair. It will protect your investment and boost your bottom line. Here's why. 1. The financial benefits. It prevents minor issues from becoming costly repairs. Maintains or increases your property value depending on the market, what the market's doing, but it's going to far outweigh not doing anything. Reduces emergency repair costs and helps justify market rent reviews when you're looking at increases. So number 2, tenant satisfaction. You'll find that tenants stay longer. Positive reviews and referrals come out of that quite often, and fewer complaints and disputes. Also, better landlord-tenant relationships. And 3 is protecting your investment. Full compliance with health and safety and healthy home standards. Avoiding costly Tenancy Tribunal proceedings. So, the pain of delayed repairs is pretty much the opposite. More expensive emergency repairs, property value quite often will decline, higher vacancy rates, potential legal costs, higher turnover rates, difficulty attracting quality tenants. I see this all the time, increased complaints. If you'd like to know more about deferred maintenance and the hidden cost of doing nothing, on the YouTube, check out the link in the description, or it should pop up at the end of the video. Remember, prompt maintenance isn't just an expense, it's an investment in your property's future. Hey, hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. Making life easier for landlords is what we do.